in this series, we'll talk about individual obstacles. I being a GTO earlier or GTO earlier, I can suggest or I can tell you what we all check as far as your individual obstacles are concerned. First of all, individual obstacles, all you know. First is your physical stamina, which is there. You can call it physical resilience or mental resilience, which is there. That is being checked. Now, as far as the individual obstacles are concerned, certain obstacle-like qualities are also checked in this. First is, you can say, your organizing ability, which is there. Organizing ability means because the obstacles which are laid out in the SSB, they are laid out in a haphazard manner, though they are marked from 1 to 10, but you will find them they are not in a sequence. So how should you do them? First of all, you should follow a set sequence. Organize, you should do it in the organized manner. ये नहीं कि तुमने यहाँ from 1 you went to 2, 3, 3 might be there, 4 might be here, 6 might be there, and you'll find it in a haphazard manner. So what you should do the obstacles. You should stand at the obstacle from where you want to start and do it in an organized sequence which is there. Now, 3 minutes will be given to you to complete the obstacles. Now, in case if you are able to do all 10, then you can repeat the obstacles, and those obstacles which you repeat, you will get those many marks, etc. But remember, gentlemen, only one obstacle can be repeated once. And if you are not able to do all 10, you can't repeat the obstacles. That you should keep in mind. Now, what things we have noticed that candidates को problem कहाँ कहाँ आती है? Once you go on top, because of the structure shaky, don't worry about it. It is so much space is there. तुम वैसे घबरा जाते हो, घबराने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Do it easily. एक उसमें कर दो. Second, where we have seen strength, arm strength नहीं है तुम्हारे पास. Arm strength, how you can get arm strength? Arm strength में at home itself एक रस्सी ले लो, उसको कहीं लटका दो, then keep hanging on the rope for some time, फिर छोड़ दो, फिर लटको, फिर छोड़ दो. So you'll be able to get the arm strength, and you don't have to. This is a time process. पहले से शुरू कर दो ये चीजें. It's not, don't wait for the last moment कि यार SSB आने वाला है, मैं थोड़ा दौड़ना भागना शुरू कर देता हूँ. It is in 3 minutes. Though the obstacles are of 3 minutes, but when you start doing it, तुम्हें पता लगेगा कि तुम्हारा सारा स्टेमिना वहीं खत्म हो गया. That you should take care. Now, other things, the qualities which I was talking about, that it is your physical stamina, mental stamina, your courage. These are the basic qualities which are being checked. You should liveliness also. Liveliness means whether able to compose yourself. Now, other thing which you have noticed, क्या notice किया है? Basically, what happens? You have been briefed. आपको brief कर दिया that 3 minutes will be given to you. When the number one do the obstacles, after that after 2.5 minutes GTO will shout next. Next का मतलब है कि number 2 will go and stand. And then when after 3 minutes when the GTO blows the whistle, होता क्या है normally when he blows the whistle, the person second person start doing the obstacles, but third person sometimes what happens, he is thinking something else. When she next और next पे शुरू हो जाते हैं तुम लोग, वो नहीं करना है. That shows कि you are not in your mental state, और तुम्हें समझ में नहीं, और you have not been able to understand the briefing which is there. So you should do the obstacle in such a manner, और please listen to the briefing. तुमने कहीं गाइडेंस ली हो, कहीं कुछ किया हो, उससे चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हो सकता है GTO ने कुछ मिस कर दिया हो, कुछ कर दिया हो, बट यू शुड डू दी ऑब्स्टेकल्स. जो भी तुमको ब्रीफिंग दिया जाता है, इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग, आस्क क्वेश्चंस देयर. नथिंग इज टेकन अगेंस्ट कि यार मैं सवाल पूछ लूंगा तो पता ही नहीं क्या होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू शुड डू दी ऑब्स्टेकल्स कंफर्टेबली, और पहले से तैयारी करके जाओगे. आई विल श्योर दैट यू विल डू ऑल दी ऑब्स्टेकल्स कंफर्टेबली. इवन माई कैंडिडेट हु वाज देयर, ही हैड रिपीटेड 17 ऑब्स्टेकल्स इन 3 minutes. अरे तुम कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू इट. थैंक यू.